Ever wished you could taste the world without leaving your home? Let's take a quick culinary trip through 3 iconic dishes that bring international flavors right to your kitchen. First up, pho from Vietnam, a warm, comforting bowl that's surprisingly simple. Use store-bought beef broth, char some onion and spices, add rice noodles and sliced beef. Finish with fresh herbs and lime. Next, Mexico's tasty tacos. Brown some ground beef with taco seasoning. Fill crunchy taco shells with beef, cheese, lettuce, and your favorite toppings. It's casual, quick, and always a hit. Finally, try your hand at a French classic, Ratatouille. Chop eggplant, zucchini, squash, bell pepper, onions, and tomatoes. Sauté with garlic and herbs. Then simmer until tender. This veggie-packed dish brings a bit of Mediterranean flair to your plate. These recipes are easy to follow and perfect for anyone ready to spice up their weekly meals. Grab your apron and start cooking, no passport required. Please share, like, and subscribe.